The first step for installing a Turntide smart motor system is to remove the existing motor. As with any service procedure, disconnect power before starting. Remove the belt. Measure and record the distance between the motor mounting plate and the edge of the motor pulley. This will help expedite pulley installation on the Turntide motor. Take off the existing motor pulley. Retain the belt and pulley for reinstallation on the Turntide motor. In many cases, removing the motor pulley before removing the motor is easier. Cut the motor power wiring. In most cases, removing the motor and mounting plate assembly simplifies the installation process. Some motors have an externally wired overload. If so, cut these wires and wire nut them together.